Think helicopters are just for emergencies? Think again. These flying machines are built for luxury, speed, and serious money. Let's check out 5 of the most expensive helicopters in the world. And number 1, it's absolutely insane. Number 5, ACH160 Exclusive. Designed by Airbus, the ACH160 Exclusive is all about smooth, stylish air travel. It's fast, quiet, and packed with cutting-edge tech. Step inside, and it feels more like a luxury lounge than a helicopter. Wide leather seats, panoramic windows, mood lighting, and advanced soundproofing turn every flight into a 5-star experience. The smart climate control system adjusts in real time, and the entire interior is customizable. Colors, layout, even the materials. The cockpit features touchscreen displays, digital flight controls, and noise-dampening tech that keeps the ride silent. With a cruising speed of over 155 knots, it gets you where you need to go fast and in style. This level of comfort and innovation comes with a price: $15 million. Not for everyone, but perfect for those who want to fly differently. Number 4, Bell 525 Relentless. Bell 525 isn't just a helicopter, it's a powerhouse. It's the first commercial helicopter with fly-by-wire controls. That means the pilot's inputs go through computers for ultra-smooth handling, more safety, more stability, and less turbulence. Inside, the 525 is fully customizable. You can have a mobile office, a luxury VIP cabin, or even a mini media room. Leather seating, wood accents, touch panel lighting, and built-in screens make this one feel like a private jet, just with rotors. It also offers a massive range, over 500 miles, and a top speed of around 170 knots, ideal for executives flying to offshore rigs or anyone who needs to travel in comfort and control. Price: $20 million. Relentless power with a first-class interior to match. Number 3, Leonardo AW609. This one's something else. The Leonardo AW609 doesn't just fly like a helicopter, it transforms mid-flight. Its engines tilt forward, turning it into a full-speed airplane after takeoff. You get vertical lift with airplane-level speed, over 310 miles per hour. It cruises at high altitudes, handles long distances, and lands just about anywhere. The interior is sleek and modern, built for quiet comfort. There's space for up to 9 passengers, with large windows, leather seating, and advanced climate and noise control. And because of its hybrid design, it's faster and more efficient than traditional helicopters, perfect for VIPs, governments, or fast-paced travel across countries. Cost: $20 million. You're not just buying a helicopter, you're getting 2 aircrafts in one. Number 2, Airbus ACH175. The ACH175 takes luxury helicopters to the next level. This model is big, really big, and built to carry small groups in pure comfort. With space for up to 8 passengers, it's often used for corporate travel, VIP transfers, and luxury charters. Step inside, and you'll find fully reclining seats, massive windows, high-speed Wi-Fi, ambient LED lighting, and even a refreshment bar. The cabin is so spacious, it feels more like a penthouse suite than a helicopter. What's under the hood is just as impressive. 2 high-performance engines, top-tier avionics, and backup systems that keep it flying no matter what. The ACH175 can fly nearly 500 miles non-stop, quietly, comfortably, and quickly. Price tag: $20 million. It's big, bold, and built for people who expect the very best in the sky. Number 1, Sikorsky S92 Executive. This is the king of the skies. The Sikorsky S92 Executive is trusted by world leaders, CEOs, and elite security teams worldwide. Why? Because it combines luxury, safety, and performance like nothing else. The cabin is whisper quiet, thanks to active noise-canceling tech. Inside, you get plush leather seating, private zones for work and rest, smart lighting, climate control, and military-grade communication systems. It even comes with ballistic protection options. Yes, it's that serious. The S-92 can cruise at 170 knots, fly in harsh weather, and carry up to 19 passengers depending on layout. But in the executive version, everything is scaled up. More space, more tech, more elegance. And the cost? A massive $27 million. This isn't just transportation, it's a flying fortress. So which one blew your mind? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe, because next time we're diving into the world of multi-million-dollar yachts. Yeah, it gets even crazier.